Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. Wanted to give you my thoughts, wanted to do a quick update. I mean, in general, I would say that the situation for Jasmy specifically, technically, hasn't really changed. I still like what I see. I mean, especially if Bitcoin can get some sort of a bullish confirmation here, I like what I see, because if you look at Jasmy right here, the technical structure is a consolidation, and the level we've hit in the last week since Saturday, and the level that has provided us with support is 1.7 cents, and that's the bottom of that consolidation. It's a bit bigger. I mean, it's between 1.7 and 1.5, so it's still possible that we'll drop down towards that. But if you just, and some of you might know this, but if you just go off of the technical structure, what should happen is that we will actually find support and start rallying back up to the top at 2.4 and 2.5 cents. And most of you know that usually when I see a technical structure, what I always think is most likely is that that will continue. So that's still the situation, all right? We're waiting for some sort of confirmation that this structure, this consolidation structure, is either going to hold or it's going to break. It could also break. If Bitcoin turns very bearish, of course we could get a bearish breakout. But I personally do think, especially with this bullish momentum that we've got from Bitcoin over the last couple of hours, that there is a significant chance that Jasmy is able to reclaim this most important resistance level at 1.95 and 2 cents, break above that, retest it, and get back up to the top. So yeah, we'll still have to see, and as you can see, I have a price alert at that level, so that's the main level to watch. And if that level breaks, if the price actually gets there, then we can get some information, because right now, like I said, it's still very much possible that we will get that bullish breakout, but it's also possible that we'll drop down to 1.5 cents, which from here, even though we would still be in that same market structure, it would be a drop of about 20%. So that's something we'll have to see. And one of the things I wanted to look at for Jasmy to hopefully identify which one of those is most likely is the following. And that's this, all right? That is the momentum that we have right now, and just in general what we can see. And if you look at this, there is not much momentum, all right? And usually what has always happened is that every bullish move and every rally from Jasmy, even if it's a smaller rally, has started with the momentum, with the open interest rallying. And I think you can see it a bit better on this chart, but that's just not the case right now. Shorter momentum over the last couple of hours has increased, but overall it's still trending down. So that's the main thing to watch, all right? Right now, I would actually say it's not likely that we'll get a breakout and a rally, because we need that momentum. If we do get that momentum, and at the same point of time, Bitcoin is also still relatively strong, then we can do something. Then we can get the breakout and we can rally back up to the top of the consolidation. But that's something we'll just have to watch. Now, overall, what is interesting is that there is a bit of a hidden divergence, I would say, between spot and futures. All right, what you can see is that spot holders for Jasmy have largely held and have also bought in quite a lot in the last couple of hours. And there is also some momentum going on right here. Like I said, in the last couple of hours, momentum did go up a little bit, even though it's still in a downtrend. But there's more spot buying than futures buying, which I think is always a good indication, a good signal for what's possible. But even though that's the case, so even though I do think, like if I look at Jasmy right now, I think it's most likely that eventually we will get that bullish breakout and rally back up to 2.4 and 2.5. That's what I think is most likely. It's in line with, I would say, the market. It's in line with the technical structure, and it's also in line with some other things we see, like the spot buying. But there's no indication of this now, all right? So keep this in mind. Keep those price alerts ready. But the one thing we need, even though spot buying is doing good, is for futures buying and the open interest to also go up, all right? So keep your eyes on that. If that starts to rally, we can actually break out and rally up higher. If not, we'll just consolidate down here between 1.95 and ultimately 1.5 cents. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.